In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable options trading on Robinhood. Whether you're new to investing or just starting to explore options, this guide will help you set up options trading so you can access new strategies for your portfolio. We'll go step by step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First, start by opening the Robinhood app on your smartphone. If you prefer, you can also use the web version. It works just as well for this process. Once you're logged in and at the main screen, look for your account or profile icon. On the mobile app, this is usually the person icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that icon to access your account. Once you're in your account menu, you'll want to navigate to your settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what you're looking for is located under the investing section. Tap on Investing, then select Options Trading. This is the area where you'll be able to enable access to options trading for your Robinhood account. Now, go ahead and tap Enable Options. At this point, Robinhood will prompt you to answer a few questions. These questions are important as they help determine your eligibility for different levels of options trading. The app may ask about your investment experience, your income, your financial goals, and your overall willingness to take on investment risk. Try your best to answer these questions honestly and accurately, as it affects the types of options strategies you'll be able to access. After completing these questions, submit your application. At this stage, you'll need to wait for Robinhood to review your information. Approval can sometimes happen pretty quickly, but in some cases, it may take a little longer. Once they've reviewed your application, Robinhood will assign you an options level, typically either level 2 or level 3. Based on your responses. Let me explain what those levels mean. If you're approved for level 2, you'll be able to use basic options strategies, such as buying calls and puts, as well as entering into covered calls and cash secured puts. These are foundational strategies suitable for most investors beginning with options. If you're approved for level 3, you gain access to more advanced strategies like credit and debit spreads, iron condors, and other complex options trades. If after applying, you find that you're not eligible yet for level 2 or level 3, don't worry. You have the option to reach out to Robinhood support for further assistance. Sometimes there are specific requirements to meet, or you may need to provide additional information, and that's all you need to do to get started with options trading on Robinhood. Thanks for watching and happy investing.